Being only 22 years old, I don't really have much credibility when I'm walking in front of a new audience that I'm giving these presentations to, but I have to build that credibility right then and there.
I've been told by a lot of people that I am a natural speaker. I don't need any training. I can just go out there and do my thing. And I did that, and I did it a lot. I didn't get any clients from it. I didn't get a lot of repeat business for it, so I thought, maybe there'd be something to a little training.
I was able to speak in front of people, but there was no energy behind what I was doing.
I have been working and giving presentations with my wife for a number of years. My wife is a natural. She doesn't need a lot of help. I am terrified to do it. I need a lot of help.
First of all, I would never be doing this. And second of all, if I were doing this, nobody would be wanting to watch it.
What can I say about Jase? He is challenging and he pushes me to the limit and he goes further. And I'm so grateful that he does that.
Now spending 3 days, you truly get to learn the inner workings of Jase and how much he truly does care about people.
So working with Jase is always a fun experience because he's just such an upbeat person, and he makes sure that whatever your needs are, he fulfills them so that you do feel as though you're getting that personal attention. He really reaches down, he shows he cares, but he has the skills and the tools to bring out the best of you and to continue helping you better yourself. He's just a phenomenal person.
Talk about speech skills on steroids and then steroids that have steroids. It's amazing, this train ride that we're going on.
Now, I get up in front of a crowd, I can speak, I can walk, I can talk, I have hand gestures.
The number one thing I've gotten is the ability to get out of my shell, get out of my way, go way beyond my comfort zone and do things that I never dreamed were possible.
I'm an introvert by nature. I really didn't like speaking in front of folks. I actually enjoy it now. I know basically I'm just on the tip of the iceberg of what my potential is. I've been able to go in and wake up that crowd and really be an effective disruptor in our industry when it comes to marketing and giving presentations.
You get to hang out with a lot of great people. You get to be pushed past your limits, and you'll find really how far you can go.